Hello viewers, we'll be going over gold miners. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We still remain in negative MACD territory, but we're seeing signs of it converging and we're off of oversold conditions on the RSI. As we expand that to the 4-hour chart, we remain in negative MACD and we're seeing slight signs of it converging and we're off of oversold conditions on the RSI. If we expand that once more to the daily chart, at the moment we're currently resting right along the 100-day moving average, this orange line, at the price of $55.73. We still remain in negative MACD, and as of now we're seeing sideways action with the RSI. So for the trade idea of the week, what we have here is my position size will be less than 1% of my portfolio, and my long entry will be at $53.89, which is this range right here, and that coincides with past resistance levels that date back to July 10th, and since we're now above resistance, that'll act as our support. So that'll be my long entry. For my sell target, that'll be $55.93, and my stop loss will be $53.23. On the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my entry will be at $56.61, which is this range right here, and my sell target will be $54.57, and my stop loss will be $57.31. So whichever entry prices were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below. So do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or a week of trading, we have a 25% chance for gold miners to climb between 0 to 2.5% and a 25% chance to climb between 2.5% to 5%. To the downside, we have a 50% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 2.5%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.